This is the GM5 module out of my E46, and today we're going to be focusing on these two relays. So these two relays right here are going to be the ones that control the central locking of the car, and what usually happens after the 20 years of life of these cars is they go out. And what happens when they go out is your car will not lock or unlock. Sometimes it even locks itself without you wanting it to, and now it's time for me to get these replaced because I haven't been able to lock this car since I bought it. So what you're going to do is you're going to get the two new relays that I have in the description, and then after that you'll be able to go to your local electronic repair shop or any shop that does some type of soldering, and they should be able to take care of the job for you. What I've done to make it easier for my shop is I went ahead and removed some of the resin coating on the back here. You want to be sure not to scratch the board itself. As you can see, I kind of did, but I think it's on the coating, so it might be okay. But you just want to make sure to be very careful with that because you don't want to rip any traces out or anything like that. But once you have this done, go ahead and get it over to your shop, have them replace those relays and put it back in the car. So these are the relays that I'm using, and yes, the part number is a little bit different, but the only difference between these and the ones that are already in there is they engage a little bit quicker. If I remember correctly, it's by like 60 milliseconds quicker or something along the lines. That's not going to cause any issues with your locking and unlocking. So these are the ones I'm going to use because they're a brand new part, and the ones that are in there now, they don't make them anymore, so it's really hard to get them. If you can get them, usually the ones you get are going to be from old electronics, so they're already going to have some use. These are going to be your best option for now. All right, so I just got out of ITC and the new relays are on the board here. As you can see, this is the shop right here. Be sure to hit them up, 909-947-7789 in Ontario, California. And so let's go ahead and show you guys their soldering job. They did a great job, and all that you can see right there is that little bit of resin scraped off, which is no issue at all. This is most definitely going to function properly. Can't wait to get home and actually get it in the car. I just want to say thank you very much, ITC. Everything is working now. You can hear the car is unlocking and locking. And I also just programmed a new key fob, which is working as well. So thank you guys again, ITC Technologies, for taking care of this for me. As you can see, everything is plugged back into the GM5 module and it's back in the cage. Now I just need to push the cage back up into place, put the 10mm back in at the bottom, then get our glove box put back into place. Everything is working. Shout out to ITC Technologies for taking care of it. They did a great job with a very quick return time.